Hello, happy Friday. Long time no see. I'm so excited to do this video with you. Even if currently worldwide we see that there are going a lot of developments and not so good news, I thought why not to actually take this time, this opportunity to work towards our goals and our career or our business, depending where we're based in the world and what we're doing. If you do not know me, I'm 𝘤𝘰𝘯𝘁𝗀𝘀. I'm a certified translator myself and business coach for translators since 2016 already. I have built a fully booked translator formula, which is a proven process to help you become fully booked in less than 3 months. And I have helped colleagues from all over the world to earn 5-figure months working from home as freelancers. So this is your chance to join my upcoming free training that I created just for you. And keep in mind, because I've been receiving so many messages and you book calls with me to share with me your hesitation and your concerns about the future of our profession. Keep in mind that our profession is among the 10th all over the world that they see a rise during a crisis. So even if we might be facing difficult times, the external situation will never become better. I remember when I was trying to grow my career and my business back in 2007, we used to have the financial crisis here in Greece. Then we have had COVID and Ukraine war. Now we have the Middle East war. So external situation will never become better. So I would suggest you to take action towards your goals. And if you're really in love with your profession, if you really love translating, otherwise why you should choose this actual profession, because it's very difficult as a profession itself, to follow your dreams and take action. And I have created this free training just for you guys. So I would love to spend all 5 days free training, no strings attached. Is called the free 5-day LinkedIn challenge. Most of you know that. You have been in a previous challenge of mine. You know that it's very practical as a training. It's designed in such a way so as to start optimizing your online presence and your LinkedIn profile, particularly so as you to be able to start attracting your idea clients to you. It really works. It's very practical, and you will be able to do the work in just 30 minutes per day. That's it, your time commitment. And of course, it's totally free of charge. Let me know if you have any questions. The most common question I get asked why I call it a challenge, because it's not just a training and just a course. We are going to be able to work together by a simple assignment every day. So by the end of the challenge of the 5 days, you'll be able to see results right away, more traffic to your LinkedIn profile, to start seeing more visitors, to be able to expand your network with your idea clients, and of course, to start promoting yourself as the go-to expert, to feel more confident about the information that you have on your LinkedIn profile. And of course, let me know in the comments what you would like me to cover, what's holding you back from actually getting the clients that you wish. And definitely, I would love to know, where are you based? Where are you watching me from during this video? So what you need just to participate, this is totally free of charge. 5-day LinkedIn challenge will take place on April 6th, Monday. We're going to start until Friday. And the link is here on your screen, 𝑘𝑠𝑉mentoring.com/LinkedIn-challenge 2026, because it's a new challenge. It's going to take place this April, second week of April. And of course, April 6th on Monday, we're going to start with your first assignment. It's going to be a recorded video every day with an assignment that you need to take action to do the work. And I will be going live with you on a daily basis to give you feedback to your work. So no one lives without getting feedback to their assignments. And of course, answers to your question, because the main thing that I was missing when I was starting to grow in my business, or I was entering the market, was that I didn't have anyone to ask questions. So if I'm very proud of something, is that I will be there next to you for 5 days, giving answers to all of your questions, giving feedback to your assignments, so as you to be able to live this 5-day training challenge, because you're going to do the work on a daily basis. Actually, for 5 days, you have enough time to set up your calendar to be able to join me live from April 6th to actually April 10th, which is from Monday to actually Friday. And it's going to be recorded, the main training, so you'll be able, no matter where you're based in the world and no matter what you're actually time zone to be able to join us. So the main question I get asked, what time is going to be? Will I be able to join? Of course you'll be able to join, because it's going to be recorded and it will be released. Okay, but you need to sign up in order for you to be able to receive all the recordings and of course the material. There are going to be trainings in a recorded format. There are going to be worksheets accompanying every training on a daily basis, just 30 minutes per day to do a small task. And that will actually save you so much time and will lead you to just see the tangible results right away. You will be able to see the traffic to your LinkedIn profile to increase right away. You will be able to see visitors to your LinkedIn profile who actually are your ideal clients. You'll be able to even see clients before the challenge ends, and of course to expand your network.